Hey Shobhan.
Hi.
Shobhan, how are you?
I'm fine, alright.
May I introduce my friend to you?
Yeah, sure.
She is Tithi.
Hi. How do you do?
I'm doing good.
Last clip we saw about a most common mistake of English. In the conversation when I was introducing my friend to Shobhan, my friend asked how do you do, and in an answer Shobhan said I am fine, but that is not the correct reply to give there. So what would be the correct answer to give there? Let's see in the next clip. Hey Shobhan.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
Sitting.
How are your things going on?
Just relax.
So we are here after a long time.
Bolen.
May I introduce my friend to you?
Yeah, of course.
She is Tithi.
Yeah.
I'm sure I'm a friend of Galib.
How do you do?
How do you do?
So my friends, we have learned that the answer of how do you do is nothing but how do you do. So the next time answer how do you do by how do you do, and never make that mistake again in your life.